Good day guys, Bing here. Today we're going to model this house. So this is a project on not Painter, on ArcDaily. Okay, so let's have a look. So let's find the floor plan. So this is a floor plan, up floor, and also a side plan. Okay, so let's start. So go to Revit, start create a architectural template project, and I'm going to just hide these, okay, or even you can delete it for now. So let's start with some grids. Okay, so from floor plan you can see it's almost two boxes, so one box here and another box here. Okay, one box, two box here. So let's create some grid. So on the architecture grid. Okay, so 1, 2. Let's draw the first one. So I'm not sure how wide that is. Looks like maybe I'll just make it 5 meter. Okay, so copy this 5 meter. And another one here, select this grid CS, create similar, and then roughly here. Okay, so now let's model some other, so the other direction, so it will be create similar, I guess roughly here, this, and then I'll copy this by 5 meter as well. And it looks like we need to move them closer. Okay, and okay, so let's have a look at this floor plan again. It looks like start from roughly here, so and it's stop here. Maybe I'll just draw a box like this. Okay, so I think let's select these two grids, roughly move it about here, I think. Okay, and then let's do another so grids on the other direction. So grids, and I think I'll just draw one from here and a perpendicular to this one. Okay, so 90 degree. So and then I'll copy this roughly maybe here. Okay, so I'll drag this back. I think this is about right. So one box and another box. Maybe I'll drag this further, drag this back. One box, two box. Okay, so now we can place wall. And so let's have a look of this project. So this is some timber cladding, so we're going to create a wall. So WA wall, and let's find if there's any timber cladding. Nope. I'll start with this timber stub wall. Okay, and edit type, duplicate, let's call it timber cladding wall. Okay, and okay, edit structure. So I'll keep this structure. So this will be the structure, and then insert up. So this is the new. So for this one, I'm going to change it to this thermal air layer. So this will be the layer for, or the battens, the substrate, or maybe I'll change this to substrate. And for material, let's have a look and see if there's any stud metal. Maybe I'll just use this one. Yeah, you can change it. You can create other material if you want to. So I'll make it 40 mil thick. And then once again insert, and this one I'll change it to 4 finish, and this will be the timber cladding. So I'm going to create a new material and rename it, call it timber cladding. Okay, and then go to appearance, duplicate asset, and then click this one, replace this asset, and then go appearance material, and let's find some timber. So let's say I'm not sure which one. Maybe let's try flooring and wood. So, and maybe we can find some I don't know, maybe something like maybe something like hang on, yeah, too many choice. I'll just pick one. I'll pick this one. Okay, so floor, and it's okay, you can just rotate it. So click it, and here type in 90 degrees and down, and also the roughness I'll just change it to 90 degree, and okay. So this this will show in realistic view. Okay, so this map image will show in realistic view. And let's have a look at this release pattern. Maybe I need to rotate this by 90 degree as well. And okay, let's go back to graphic. Graphic, these we're going to place a pattern for it. So okay, so for surface pattern, so let's go model, and I'm going to maybe use 100 vertical. So looks like we need to create that 75. I'll just create one. So select this 100 horizontal, duplicate, and I'll rename it as vertical. So change this angle to 90. So okay, and maybe I'll just match the color of this appearance. So and okay. So okay. Oh, sorry. Forgot the thickness, so let me just maybe 20. And also I'll insert another layer, so go down and I'll change it to finish 4 as well. And then so this is for internal, maybe I'll just use the gypsum wallboard and give it a thickness maybe 10. So that's it, the wall, and okay and okay. So now we can place the wall, but before I place, I want to align the wall, the structure of the wall to these grids. Okay, so instead of use wall center line, I'll change, so which is here, I'll change it to core center line. Okay, now we can draw the wall. So for example, this is a box. We can just do this and use this one, rectangle, and click here and click here. So now if I change the detail level to medium, so you will see, if I zoom in, you will see it's centered to the structure, which is in the 90 mil stud. Okay, and now let's place this wall. This wall we won't be able to use this. We're just going to pick a wall. And so now I'll just pick this wall, and if you see this one on this side, which means that's correct, because this need to be at the external side, exterior side of the wall. Okay, so if you place it here, and you will need to click on this, so switch to that side. Okay, so if I zoom in, you will see the difference. So if I pick the wall, and you will see the timber, the 20 mil timber cladding is facing inside. So you just need to click this one, go that way. So same, once again, pick this wall, and then we can trim them. Okay, so, and also maybe let's have a look at this floor plan. So sorry, let's just go. It looks like it will extend to that, and here maybe and just go back there. So let's do it. So hang on, it looks like it stopped. It stopped here, so it's more like here. So that's fine. Maybe this is for the upper level. So I'll just create another wall here, and yeah. So actually, I'll just delete this wall. I'm going to just roughly place more grids. Okay, so let's pretend these grids are for some internal walls or structures, and I'll just place them. I'll copy them, and just place them. Okay, maybe like this. Okay, so now I'll just place another wall here. Okay, I'll select this wall, CS, create similar, or you can use, you can also use, where is it? Here, this one. So CS, okay, and pick, and also pick line, and pick this wall, trim it. I'll delete this wall. Okay, so now I'll trim this to this to here, and let's have a look at this floor. So just stop here. Looks like I'll just stop here. Okay, something like this. Maybe you will need to drag this to somewhere here, and but I'll just leave it for now. Okay, so now let's have a look in 3D. So if I go to 3D, you will see it's very high, and it looks like because 4 meter is the default height in this architectural template. So what I'm going to do is maybe I'll change it to different. So I think 27. Maybe I'll make it 33. Okay, and I'll create another one, so you can copy it in here. I'll copy another one, so now we have another level there. So right, and also sometimes when you draw something there and your levels here, so what you can do is right click, select all the level, right click, and maximize, so at least it covers this the building. Okay, so now we can select all these walls, because these walls are the lower floor level. So I'm going to change this, the top constraint, from unconnected with 8 meter height to level 1 with 0 top offset. So they will stop at level 1. Okay, so now the next step, let's go have a look of the up level. So this is up level. So you will see it starts from roughly here and then overhand a little bit here. So let's go back here, go back to the floor plan. So actually, so this is level 1 floor plan. So we can go at level 1. So you will see, you can still see the lower level in gray. But now let's model. Hang on, let's have a look at this again. So it looks like we need another grid here. Okay, maybe here. So up level will start from here. Maybe I'll just move this wall and this grid a little bit further. Oh, maybe I'll just hang on. Let me go back to the ground floor. Sometimes it's better just if this is ground floor wall, just do it in ground floor plan. I can use align and then use tab to select the center of this core. Okay, now let's go back to up level. Let's create the up level wall. Okay, so you can select the wall, CS, create similar. Let's pick line and pick this grid. So start from here. So make sure this is on the exterior side, and pick this one and pick this one and pick this one, and also change the detail to median, so you will see, make sure they are correct. Okay, so structure, external cladding, right? Trim, TR, trim. Okay, trim all, trims here, TR, trim. So now let's have a look in 3D view. So now you will see these walls is on top, on the top up level, so level 1. And okay, so now what's next? Now let's have a look in, it's time to model the roof. Okay, so you will see this is from this side looking at this angle, roughly this angle. So you will see this is a roof with a quite a different height. So 1, 2, so all these points are different heights. So let's do it. Okay. So we can do it in 3D view. Okay. So let's do it. Create a roof, and actually I'm going to show you sometimes when you change the work plan. So for example, if you set work plan and I'll pick this wall, okay, so it's no longer a horizontal work plan, and sometimes in 3D view you're trying to create a roof, so and it will tell you the work plan or this view cannot be used for this operation. So this is why this is because the work plan, okay, you need to, because the work plan, so if I click on this show, will tell you the current work plan in this view is on this wall, so which you can't use it for your roof. So you will need to set work plan and just in the list change it to I think I'll use level 2. Okay, so okay, and then you can just go architecture, and I'll turn this off, it's a little bit too much. Okay, so go to roof, and then you will be able to create a roof. So now let's do the roof. The roof I'll use pick wall. Okay, so and let's have a look. So it will cover all the floor area. So this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, this one, and this one. Okay, so trim, TR, and also tab, select all these sketch line, and uncheck the define slope. Yes, we are going to create a flat roof for now. So okay, so I'll maybe change it to a little bit thinner roof. Okay, so now this is a flat roof, and then we will be able to use modify sub element. Okay, so click on modify sub element, and then let's have a look at this elevation. So it looks like this is low or low. These 2 points are same height, and okay, let's just do guess. Let's do this first. So very low, similar height. Okay, so let's try this. So this one, this point will be the lowest. I'll just drag this down. I think roughly like this. Okay, and then I'm going to drag this one down. So roughly at this level. Okay, and you will see there's one line here because this face, so these 1, 2, 3, 4 points, they are not on one plane. Okay, they are not on one plane. So to make them I think let me try this AL, use a line AL, which is here, and pick this face, and let's try to pick this point and see what happens. Nope, still the line is still there. So hang on, I think this is not right. Let's go back. Okay, so let's go back to the floor roof, the flat roof. We will need to add some split line before we change the height. Okay, so first let's have a look at all the. So it looks like we will need a line here, and a line here. Okay, so let's do it. So same, select this roof. So if I'll just reset the shape for now. Okay, so let's say start from scratch. So this is a flat roof without any any modify. So click add split line. Okay, so now we can add. So first this from here to here. So okay, and then the second one from here to here, and then one from here to here. So now Let me think. Let's try. Well, actually, what I'm going to do is I'll add another line here. So 1 and 2, and also another one here. So one, oh, sorry, add a split line, another one here to here, and so this will, I think this will help us to modify this roof. So let's edit, sorry, not let's modify sub element, and then select this point, go down maybe here. Okay, so you will see with this line we create two roofs. They are both flat. Okay, so if we don't have, well, I'll just delete this one, okay, and show you. If we don't have this line, so can you see this roof? It's a curved. It's a curve. Okay. If it's curved, you won't be able to use align tool. So, okay. So now let me Control Z, go back. So and Control Z again. So with this split line. So now we have two flat face. Okay. So the reason we have this one, we need a flat face is we can use a line. So we can pick this line and then pick this point, okay? And to create a flat, so two flat face which are on the same plane, okay? So okay, so let's do let's have a look at this one. So similar height, same height, same height, same height. So this will be higher. Looks like this is a bit higher. Same height, same height, same height, same height, same height, same height. This is lower. Okay. So this point will be a little bit. Oh, sorry, not a escape. Select this one. Modify sub element. Select this point, and raise this up a little bit. Okay, and then so this will be the same height of, let's have a look about roughly here. So will be the same height of this point. Okay, so I'm going to select this edge instead of select each point. I'll select this edge, so this will lower both points together. So roughly, yeah, almost it's quite close. Okay, so that's it. And then let's make sure, or maybe a little bit lower. Let's make sure this face, these two faces are on the same plane. Okay, so looks like, are they? Let's try if I add some element, if I delete this one, and yes, I think that it's flat. And also this one, because we use align this face with this point, and then these two faces will be flat. So we can modify sub element, delete this. Okay, so see this face is flat. Okay, same this one, and okay, so that's it. And then escape, finish. Excuse me. Excuse me. Sorry. Now this is roof is finished. Now we can attach the wall to the roof. So select this wall, attach to the roof. Select this one, attach to the roof, and select this one, attach to the roof. Oops, sorry. Attach to the roof. Let me change to shade SD. Okay, so then select this one, attach to roof, this one, attach to roof, this one. So this one, so you will see that half of this wall is under this wall. So if I just attach to the roof, you will see the whole wall will overlap with the upper floor wall. So what we can do is attach once again, attach to this wall. So see, so now this wall will attach to the bottom of the wall and the roof. So same, this one attached to the roof, this one attached to the roof, so this one attached to the roof, and this one, half of the wall is under this wall, so attach, you can attach to the wall and then attach to the roof. Okay, so and here, so you will see the patterns not aligned to each other. So actually I'm going to show you. So if I change to realistic, so you are okay. So because previously we didn't scale the image, so I'm not sure if this is correct. Let's have a look in material. Okay, so go to timber cladding. Let's search timber. So this one, appearance, click on this image. Let's have a look. So this is 3 meter. Looks like I guess it's about right. Yeah, I'll leave it. Looks about right, 3 meters. Okay, so now let's have a look of these two images. They are not matching. Looks like they are not matching, right? So what we can do is we can go, because this is 3D view, we can duplicate this view, and in this view I'm going to use hidden line. Okay, so and then I'll use WT. So now we have two 3D view. One is realistic view and this one's hidden. So what we can do is we can just manually tab, select the pattern, and then use your keyboard to move the pattern. So I'm actually not sure. Let's just try to match, trying to find the pattern. So it looks like I found it. So go down a little bit. So you can use shift with the arrow key to make it move faster. Okay, so go down a little bit. I think that's about right. You can zoom in and move it slower. I think that's about right. Okay, so now you will see it's now very seamless to connect to each other, and then you will be able to use join this wall to this wall, and also looks like that's a little bit so internal wall there, so just join them. So this one, yeah, so that's it. So now it's very nice. They are two walls, but the image match. Okay, so here I won't do it this one, so I'll just leave it so you know how to do it, right? Okay, so now what's next? Yeah, we can place some floor, so I'll do it in 3D view as well. Okay, so go floor and use pick wall. So for the lower floor, so change this to ground floor. Okay, so lower floor, I'll just tab, so you will be able to select all these edges, trim, and also just click on here and see which side. In this exercise, I'm going to pick the exterior side of the core, the structure face. So which means you need to check this one. So extend into wall. Okay, finish, and you will see a roof for ground floor. So then let's do the up floor. So okay, so select this floor, CS, create similar, change the level to level 1, pick wall. So let's have a look where's the upper floor wall. I'll just try tab. Okay, tab, see, that's it. And also exterior face. And okay, so don't touch. I will let Revit know if I need to. So let's have a look over here. So it looks like this wall, see, this wall needs to attach to the floor, and also there's some internal wall I just want attached to the floor as well. So now HR, that's it. HH, let's have a look. HH, HR. Okay, so that's it. Floor, I'm happy. So roof is okay, and if you want to, you can you can add a material. So I'll create a new material. I'll rename it as roof. Okay, so and duplicate, and then just trying to find a roofing, maybe. I'm not sure which one. I'll just pick random, just one random material here, and then go back to I'll close this one. Go back to graphics, and we can just add a surface pattern. So model, once again, looks like there's no tile. Maybe I'll just use this block. Okay, so it looks like a tile anyway. And okay, and okay, and okay, and okay. So now we have some material there. And if we change it to hidden line, HL, and you will see that's some pattern there. Okay, hang on. So from this pattern, it looks like it's not flat. See, let's have when it's not flat, you will tell from the pattern. So it looks like, let me just double check. So modify sub element. So what I'm going to do is I'll add a split line from this point to this point. So see, make sure now they are flat, and then I'm going to use AL, align this face and this point. So now let me go back to modify sub element, delete this one, and let's say it's still not flat. Interesting. Let me try it. Let me try it again. So so AL, this one to this one to this one to this one to this, and let me modify sub element and delete it again. No, looks like we need to align it a couple more times so to make it flat. Okay, so good. Anyway, change it to realistic, and then the next step we can add some windows. So in this project there are some windows on which side? This side. So the easiest way to add some windows, if you don't worry about too much about the actual the detail, you can use curtain wall. So for example, I'm going to quickly add some. So select this wall and this wall, two walls, Control C, okay, and then go escape, go to paste, align to the same place. So don't click anything, you still have these two walls selected. So see, these are the two walls you pasted, and then you can go here and change to some curtain wall, and also you can change detach the roof, and let's just say delete element. So see, they are here, but because we still need to edit type and check this automatic embed, and okay, so you will see these are curtain walls. Okay, so you can also change the height, for example 2400. You can also change the spacing, maybe 1200. So this is easiest way to add some curtain wall. Okay, so now let's add some structure columns. Okay, so same, it's very easy. Just go to ground floor and structure column. So I'm just going to use this one. If you want to use different structure column, you can just load family and load columns from the structure column folder. Okay, so you can use add grids. Okay, so click on add grids and select these four and control select these two and finish. And once again, let's have a look in 3D view. So you will see it will automatically add column at all the intersection of those grids. So if I go back to ground floor again and column add grids, pick this control select and also this grid, and then finish. So let's have a look again. So more columns, okay, and looks like we are missing some floor here, but I'll just ignore it, okay. So and then so maybe some footings, use this, yes, go to structure foundations. Actually, I'm not sure which one. If you don't worry too much about the actual structure, I mean like profile or shapes or size, what I will just use this one. So it's and then edit type, duplicate. I'll call it maybe 900 deep depth. And I'll change this to 900 with a diameter of 300, maybe, yes, maybe I don't know, 400. And okay, and then you can use add column and select all these columns and finish it. So it will create a footing under the column. Okay, so yeah. Yeah, because I'm not a structure people, so I'm not quite sure if it's correct. But anyway, if I need to do some very quick structure, I'll do it this way. And also, let me just change. So if select this one on this, you can edit type and then load a structure column. Let me just load a maybe concrete square shape and open, and also 300. Maybe I'll duplicate and create a maybe 150 by 150 and okay. So now we can select all these and change it to the 150, 150, 150. Okay, so and also these foundation, these footings, you don't need to change the height of them. You just need to change the depth of the column. Okay, they will follow the columns. I think that's about it. What else? Okay, so that's it for today. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you have, if you find some interesting, nice project, just let me know as well. I'll show you how to do it. Okay, thank you. I'll see you next time. Bye.